The distance between two towns is 600 kilometer. Correct to the nearest 10 kilometer. And the car takes 8 hours 40 minutes. Correct to nearest 10 minutes to travel this distance. They are asking us to find lower bound for the average speed. Okay. So what is speed? Speed equal to distance by time taken. They are asking lower bound of speed. So we should take lower bound of this distance by upper bound of this time. Yes. So what is this is 600 kilometer corrected to nearest 10 kilometers. So lower bound of distance would be 600 minus 5. So 595 kilometer. Yes. And upper bound of this time is 8 hours 40 minutes. So nearest 10 minutes. So it would be 8 hours and 45 minutes. So now we have to calculate the lower bound of the speed. So what can I do? 595 divided by 8 hours 45 minutes. If I convert it as a proper number, it is 8.75. How I did this means we need this in hours, is that no? So I should convert this 45 minutes to hours. So we know in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So I'm just dividing 45 by 60. So I'm just getting it as 0.75. I'm adding with this hours. So totally 8.75 hours. I'm completely converting this into hours. Yes. So this is kilometer per hour. Yes. If you divide this, you'll get 68. So speed is 68 kilometer per hour. This is lower bound of speed. Okay. Yes. So 68 kilometer per hour is the answer.